Welcome to another episode. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing in this, but obviously we've still got this front end to sort out, so I'm not going to film everything. I'm going to bring you in every now and again because you know, you're going to be bored at some point. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to film it, and if I've got something to show you, I'm going to show you. Other than that, I'm just going to get on with stuff and not film it. Right, I think I know what's wrong with this. So what I'm doing, I'm looking at this. I've got the front panel off now, and I'm looking at the subframe. Now, I'm measuring from centre to centre, and it's 25.12. So obviously 12 of those. I'm not very good at measuring, but I know that it's. Let me just get you on camera. So it goes to there. So just under 26, so that's 12.12. So from that point to there is 25.12. Now, when I measure my genuine panel, it's 26. So from point to point, it's 26. So I think that that's bent. Can you? You'll not be able to see it, but that looks bent to me. I think that's what my problem is. That looks like it's coming out. I think that's what my problem is, because I've unloosened everything and there's no way that subframe's moving. So I think that is damaged. So I don't know whether it's a new subframe. When I've got my front panel, so I'm going to assume that that's the centre point of the hole. So from that point to that point is 26 inch. From that point to that point is 25.12. So there's my problem. So I bought a reconditioned subframe. Let's hope this front bit's right. I've seen a lot of people doing unboxing videos, but I thought to myself, I want to do one of those as well. So that's mine, and all this is all bent when you look at it. And not only that, why is there two holes at each side? I think the subframe's been bent, so they've had to set the engine a bit different. I don't know, but it's all rusty and in there. And then this is a reconditioned one. So it's been stripped, blasted, and it's really nice, that, isn't it? All I need to do is measure from here to here and see, make sure that it's good. And I've only got 2 holes there and 2 holes there, which is good. So I'm just going to get my tape measure up and measure it now. There we go. Perfect, that. So it's 26 inch from the centre of that hole. So it's 26 inch from the centre of that hole to the centre of that one. And on this one, from the centre of that hole to the centre of that hole, it was 25.12. And that's why when I was fitting the so when I was fitting the front panel on there, the bolts weren't matching up. So tomorrow, this is Friday night, this, I've just received it in post, so tomorrow I'll take this subframe out, get the new subframe in, get this front panel on, let's see if it fits, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we're going to be golden. I forgot to mention, I got these weird as well. So I've got these lower arms, I hope they are, and these are in just as good condition as what mine are. But the good thing about it, so I got two, one for each side. I got 2 tower bolts. Those are in better condition than what my originals were. And these are like, I don't know, I think they were like £18 each on eBay second hand. So I got those with that subframe. So I got the subframe and I got those with it, and also I got these tie rod ends with all this on it. Now when I took mine off, I think it was the driver's side, the tie rod end were bent, so I needed one of these anyway, so that's perfect. So I've got 2 new ones, well, should I say reconditioned, but those, lovely. Only thing I'd probably do is put some gloss. I don't know whether to gloss them or keep them matte. I'm undecided yet. Something good just happened. So I've just got it on with a bit of tape. And when I look there, my hole's there. And when I look there, my hole's there. So really pleased with that. I'm just going to get it bolted up now. So hopefully the front end will go on and it'll be done. But look at that subframe in there. That's really nice. That's it. It's on. I'm looking down the gap there, and I'm looking down the gap there, that front panel. That's pretty central. And that's pretty central. Or it's better, that side's better than what it was. I'm looking at that gap there. Looking at that gap there. Looking at that gap there. And I'm looking at that gap there. I think that's it. I can't get it any better than that. Those teardrops are not being dragged everywhere now. That's one good thing. I'll stop the video here because I want to do a lot of work, so it's pointless carrying on. It's only a short video, this, of me unwrapping my subframe and getting my subframe ready. So hopefully in the next video I'm going to be doing some welding, getting some grinding done. So I'll only bring you in when I've done something. It's pointless you watching me grinding stuff off. A lot of people don't film that anymore because people are getting a bit bored of it. So that's what I'll do. I'll just bring you in when if I've got something to show you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.